Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to use the TikTok beauty mode. This video helps you out. Go ahead and annihilate that like button for me. Alright, so go ahead and open up TikTok and then go down to the bottom center of the screen where you see the plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. That will open up this page where you can see my ugly mug. Now the beauty filter currently is on. It's on the right hand side, third one down. You can just click on it to toggle it on and off. Now it's off, and now it is on. Now essentially what the beauty mode is supposed to do is smooth out your skin and give you an overall perfection-free sort of look. I don't see much of a difference. I still see all of my perfections. In any case, one additional thing that I thought was kind of cool, if you wanted to add to the beauty mode, go ahead and right underneath it click on filters. Down at the bottom, you're on normal right now, but you can see that you can also click on F1, it looks like, and you can adjust it with this little bar right in the center of the screen. Down, and then of course right to bring it up a little bit. I'm going to leave it in the middle because my eyes look kind of weird. You can also click on F2. You're still in the portrait heading, and you can adjust it the same way. Now what's nice about this is in portrait you can see it's highlighted, but if you click on landscape right next to it, that will bring you to B1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Go ahead and click on food, does the same thing. So if you're scrolling through, you know where you are by looking. For instance, S1, S2, you can see which category you are in. And these all work kind of the same way. And personally, I can see a much bigger difference when I adjust these as opposed to when I adjust the beauty filter. But play around with them, and then if you end up messing up and hating what you've done, you can either go all the way to the left hand side by scrolling underneath the portrait heading and click on normal. That will bring us back normal. And to have no filter at all, you can just click on this little circle with the slash through it right to the left of portrait. And that will back out of everything. You can also add some effects bottom left hand side of the screen, and they do have some beautifying effects in there. Just scroll, you're on trending tab right now, just scroll to the right, or excuse me, swipe to the right and highlight beauty. And you've got a few different options right here. You can click on that to download, see what happens with it. I honestly don't know what this one is. Let's see what happens. Oh, see, now it's black and white. So there's a bunch of different cool things that you can try within your effects. Once again, use the circle with the slash through it to back out and have none of them. And then click on your picture altogether if you want to back out of this. So that's pretty much how to use the beauty mode on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out on how to use the beauty mode on TikTok. It is currently off. We can turn it back on. And I don't know if I look any more beautiful, but anyway, thanks for watching. And since you made it this far, why don't you go ahead and stick around? Click subscribe right underneath this video. It's free. Take care.